This is too easy. They've been waiting for it. No. Hey, excuse me, sir. We've been trying to get to you about my extended algorithm. Hit that like button, subscribe. You can zoom in on that vein right there. Look at that. Boom! Boom! Firepower! On 50 pounds. Hey, let go. It does. Hey, come get biceps real quick.
It's the man right there.
Oh, you got it.
Nasty. Took from the camera one time. You know what I'm saying? Anything for the family.
Anything.
Yeah, go down and sit next to you. Cheese. Burger. Come put on this bitch next to you. Come put that little thing right there, boy.
Wendy.
Oh, goddamn, this heavy. Why didn't nobody tell me this shit was heavy as fuck?
Better get some sniffing gas.
Send him a bill. I got you.
Better get some free gas after that. That's great aesthetic. Please help my dear friend. It's poor choice in shoes. I gotta go for me. I'm just kidding. I like his shoes. Damn. Full course meal on this motherfucker. All day, I eat this shit. Everybody working for the Mavs. Hell no, I eat, baby. Just like my meals, baby. I don't stop on the first plate. I don't finish on the first dish. It's a 5-course meal in here, baby. Still done. Yeah. Let's slow it down a bit. I ain't that big, but my ego is. You hear me? Yeah. Come on, forward. Way to find that, Ronald. I got one for you. Ready? Boom! Boom! Firepower!
That's a pro card in 3 weeks right there.
Steal this motherfucker shit. Shit's freaking heavy. Pure tomato creatine, baby. I juice all day. Got the good blender. Got that trend blender. Nah, I'm just kidding. Another day at the spa. Nice, relaxing. He's on his tippy toes. I never leave the house without a gym snack. Today's snack, good old peanut butter and jelly sandwich, baby. Woo! Hungry. Stay fed. It's too good. It's just too good. I can't stop. Who's laughing? That's good shit though. That's how we do. It's just an appetizer. Starting off with the bread, with the carbs. Gotta get big, baby. Yeah. Don't be gentle with it.
Don't be gentle.
Nah.
Bro.
I know you want some.
I'm on prep. I can't have none of this.
Yeah, it feels good eating carbs, doesn't it? What's good in the hood? I'm Rob. This is Beast Feast. We're sitting here at Dak Bok, about to eat it up, about to feast, because we done hit the beast. Back, buys, time for the fries.
Do you think you can hit it with the little Salt Bay?
Yeah. Yeah, little, damn. Yeah, little that. Yeah. Let's see what else we got. Then we're gonna get I like it, man. Oh yeah, man. Yeah.
Lather it up, butter it up.
There we go. Let's get it all
That's what
over.
I'm here for, baby.
Killing dinosaurs, man. Right there. Big ass.
What I do in my free time is none of your business.
A little baby leg right there.
It's not turkey. It's turkey.
All over it. Every single bite. No flavor.
Deep fried. I'm ready. Nothing but the gains coming in.
Thank you. Hey, you give me some rim, huh?
These fries look delicious. The spicy mayo, bulgogi, or is it pork? I don't remember. That kimchi. It's good. It's good enough. Dig in. This is how we do it. We beast it up in the gym, we come here, and we feast, baby. All about them gains. Ooh, give me that. I know you're gonna bite it. You wanna know how bad you want that show? Or you want the food? Just a little more.
Oh, it's so good.
You missing out, baby. Unfortunately.
I'm all prepped. I can't have none of this.
Look right there. Calories, baby. This is where it's at. Best cheat meal of the week. Hands down. Other than this booty right here that I eat all the time. That's my morning snack. Afternoon snack. Late night snack. All day. She my buffet. We hit the back, now we here hitting the fries. You know what I'm saying? Too good. I can't wait to get back in the gym though. I gotta burn all this off. Yeah! Camera guys,
You did. We're good on this side. I don't know about him.
my wife ate
Get more him. He's the one
My wife
that's
ate
on food.
My wife ate her own burger. Look at that.
No way.
Not even there. Cultivating mass.
Cultivate mass.
I cultivate mass. Yeah!
Bro, you weren't supposed to take a bite of my popsicle.
But it's too good. I can't stop myself. Let's keep going, you know what I'm saying? Like, we don't stop right here. Dude, I know you want some of this, baby. No. I know I can keep it. Yeah, come on. Yeah. Show them what you got. Show them what I've been feeding you for. Cultivating mass.
And
And eating ass. This is my YouTube channel. You want to look it for me?
Yeah.
Thanks, baby.
I didn't even know y'all were recording this whole time.
We're done around here. We eat all the food. You need nothing left. We feasting, baby. Nothing here.
what's that right there?
Hey, don't worry about none of that. It's little snacks for later. Trust me, all this is done. Now we got left is this dessert right here.
The fuck?